Hey guys, I have a super exciting video today. I just got bundles in the mail and I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. So it came in this package, and if you can see, it's from Xtend, which is a black-owned business based in Atlanta. It's a mother and a daughter. I actually learned about them on YouTube. Like I watched a lot of different videos just trying to see like who has like the best hair and who I should try and who I shouldn't try. And Xtend popped up a lot. Well, not too much, but like all the reviews I saw for the hair that I wanted was really good. So like I showed you, comes with this cute little bow. Then like it's like a twist tie bow. And then there's another space. So it came like in the mailbox. I had to sign for mine. I almost missed it because like my mailman didn't ring the doorbell. I guess I don't even know what was supposed to happen, but like they left a notice in the mailbox, and like when I went to get the mail today, the mailman was coming back around and he's like, "Oh, are you Kemba Mitchell?" And I was like, yeah. He's like, "Oh, here's your package, come over here and sign for it." So I literally signed for the package in the middle of the street because he's on the opposite side of the street now. It was so crazy, but like it was like perfect timing because he was literally going around the corner as I was going outside. I was like, oh my gosh, perfect. So finally got the package opened, and let's just talk about the contents. So it has like their flyer or business card, I guess. Oh, I got a discount code, I think. Maybe not. Oh, I'm dumb. There's no code written in here. But yeah, it's a cute little card. Let's see, anything else in here before we get to the fun stuff? Guess not. Okay, so what I ordered was 3 bundles and a closure. It was part of their like bundle deal, so this was about like $300. And like shipping was like maybe it's like $310 and shipping was like $16 because I think I paid $326 in total, which is kind of steep, but it's not too steep. Like I did it anyway because like I was really in the mood for bundles because I'm tired of doing my hair like this twist that I have in my hair. I had my hairdresser twist my hair and then I left it in for like a week and I just took it out. So I mean, it's cute though. Little hope. Don't y'all hate that? Like, you ever twist your head and like there's always this piece that just gives you problems? Like, that's this piece for me. Sorry, shouldn't be fluffing my hair on camera. Unprofessional, Kemba, unprofessional. Okay, I know y'all probably trying to see the hair, my bad. So I'll start with the closure. I'm just gonna put it right here. But I got a 14-inch closure. Do I remember getting a 14-inch closure? Yeah, I think so. Okay. And like I got different lengths. Well, basically because like that's how the bundle deals work. Like it's like the bundles are 3 different lengths. Even though I prefer like 2, but since I got body wave, I don't really care because it'll just like give it cute little layers. So I have a 14-inch closure. It comes in like a little plastic pack and then with a net around it. So let's see how this is. Okay, you guys see like the luster and the shine. And I'm sorry about like the noise in the background. That's my air conditioning right there. It's like super hot in here, so like I wouldn't be able to do this. I'd be sweating on camera and that's not cute. So hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm close enough to the camera, right? But oh my gosh, like this stuff is so soft. I'll probably add on to this video like after the initial unboxing and get y'all hip with like if the basically what the pattern looks like after washing and conditioning it and letting it air dry, because you know this isn't the real pattern. Like as much as we would love it, it usually isn't. I'm really hoping it doesn't like dry straight because I will be so mad. But I guess I could do a video on how I wash the hair as well. just to show you guys what I did. So if it doesn't turn out right, you guys know not to do it. Okay, so that's the closure, 14 inches. I think I got a free part. Let's see. Let's see how natural this looks. Oh, the knots are like black. Okay. I mean, it's not too shabby. It's closure. It's not like a frontal. That has to match like really well, or you look crazy sometimes. I'm not, no shade. Okay, so that closure feels so good. Let me see. Is there a lot of hairs on it? I think so. I think it's a good amount of hair on it. Okay. Anyway, enough talk about the closure. Now it is time to get into the bundles. I'm going to start with my longest, which is 20 inches. I really like my hair. I really do. This side always gives me problems, but like I like this side. Okay. So here's the bundle, and it comes in one of them things, just like the closure did, just like most bundles do. I don't really know what it does, to be honest, but it must do something for people to like use it. I don't know. I haven't felt like weave in so long, and I'm so back. So they do have like short hair, so like all the hair doesn't go all the way down. I don't know how I feel about that. It's not too bad. And like there's little like beards. I think that's what they're called, like beards. But I mean, like, it is super soft and it is very like silky. Oh, did I even tell you guys what this hair was? Oh my gosh. It is their mink body wave. I think her name is Sparkle Marie, like one of the co-owners. She has this YouTube channel, and I watched her video. Like, she talked about all of the different hair textures they had, all the different colors, and like mink stood out to me, and their diamonds tips line stood out to me, but I wasn't trying to get all into the expenses, you feel me? So I just went with the mink first to see if I like it, because if you like this one, you don't have to go up to the diamond tips, because this one is that good. Like, so this is 20. Oh, so we'll go like right there. Not too shabby. So like, I don't really feel like I have to go through. Okay, I guess I can show you guys like the length comparisons. I'm not gonna do a review on each bundle because they came from the same place. So it should be like the same texture. So I'm just gonna open up and put them next to each other to measure them, basically. See if like they're true to length. Because 20 just looks like a lot. Oh, here are the wefts. This is the 16, I believe. Is this the 16? Yeah, this is the 16. This is the 18, and this is the 20. So clearly the shorter length is thicker than the longer lengths. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so this is the 20, and then here's the 16. I mean, 18, 16. So like, are there red hairs in here? There's like red hairs in this. Can you see it? Oh yeah, like the red hairs. Okay. Weird. Hopefully that means that it's super extra virgin hair, you feel me? But yeah, so these are the bundles. Decent thickness, very soft. Hopefully this lasts like this. Like, oh. Cause like I've never really had like super great luck with weaves. Like every time I get them, like they start off real nice, and then like they just start turning, like they start snagging in the neck. It just like the closure starts balding, and it's just like I don't have time for that. I just want to be cute, you know? Like just let me be cute. Thank you. So yeah. Oh gosh, they're so soft. But yeah, so like the second part of this video, it maybe just be like this video and then a separate video. I'm gonna show either me washing it or what it looks like after I wash it, just so you guys can like know the actual texture. Because like I mean, this is cute, but I hate getting my hair like this, because unless you put your hair straight in after you get it out the bundle and don't wash it, it's not gonna look like this, like unless you like curl it or whatever. So I'm very excited to see. Hopefully it curls back up, because I got hair before and I washed it and that joint was straight. I was like, are you... I was so mad. That hair ended up being super terrible. Like, it was just really bad. So hopefully this curls up and it works for me. So I think just bring the closure back. I'm just like, I haven't had tracks in so long. I'm so excited. Okay, but yeah, that's all I got. Hair is super soft. It's Boss Xtend for their website. They have like a bunch of different like code red sales and back to school sales and all kind of sales. So like honestly, I feel like anytime you go on their website there's a sale. So while you're watching me transform, check them out. I wouldn't say buy anything yet. I would never say that, because like I don't know how it is, so I don't want you guys to buy it and then be mad at me, if that makes sense. Let me be your test dummy. Yeah, okay, I'm done rambling. It's been real. It's been cool. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.